AWS offers you free tier usage for 12 months where you can learn AWS without paying anything and kickstart your cloud career. But if you are not sure where to start, don't worry, I'm here. Hey learners, welcome back to another amazing video by DevOps Pro. In today's video, we are going to create a brand new AWS account with free tier which will give you access to a variety of AWS services at no cost. So if you haven't already liked the video, go ahead and do that. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications and share it with your friends. And now let's roll the intro. First, let me tell you the requirements for creating an AWS account. Before you start, make sure you have the following. First, a new email address which is not already registered on AWS and a phone number for verification. Second, you'll need a debit or a credit card with online payment support. I know finding a card can be challenging for someone, but it's important for creating our own AWS account because AWS will bill you through it. We'll also provide an alternate solution for this, so make sure you subscribe so whenever we launch that you'll get notified. Next, you need a mobile phone for two-factor authentication. And last but not the least, your focus, which you already have. If you are not already familiar with AWS Free Tier, let me explain it briefly. AWS offers new users 12 months of free usage to explore and learn AWS. However, keep in mind that not everything is free. There are limits on many services. You can check out this page to see what services you get and what are those limits. If you go beyond those limits, you will be charged. But don't worry, I'll teach you how to manage these limits and avoid unnecessary charges. So let's get started. You can find the link to this page in the description. Now click on create account. Here you need to enter your email address, which will be your root user with the highest permissions. You can also enter your name here. After clicking verify, you will receive an email with an OTP that you will need to copy and paste here. In the next step, set a secure password and fill in the CAPTCHA. Make sure to create the password as strong as possible so that your account is not compromised. Next, you need to select the purpose for using AWS. Since I am creating an account for personal use, I'll select personal. Now enter your full name, phone number, country and address, then accept the terms and conditions and click continue. Now you will see that you need to enter your card information and around $1 or equivalent will be charged on your card. This is just for verification and this will be refunded in some time. So now enter your card number, expiration date, CVV and cardholder's name. You can use your existing address as the billing address. If you have PAN card, you can enter it here for tax purposes, but I'll skip this for now. Now click on verify and continue. After this, as you can see, a small payment of 2 rupees for me will be initiated on the card. So now you need to complete the payment based on your card's requirements. So I'll enter my OTP here and click on submit. Once the payment is done, you need to verify your phone number. So you can either choose voice or text verification. After entering your phone number and CAPTCHA, click on send SMS. Sometimes it takes a bit for the SMS to arrive, so be patient. If you don't receive it, you can choose the voice call option. In this case, AWS will call you and you'll need to enter the number shown on the screen on your phone. After a successful verification, you'll need to provide some final details such as the purpose of registration and ownership type. You can enter as per your preferences. I'm selecting personal use and individual here. Finally, you need to select an AWS support plan. When you need an assistance from AWS, you will be able to access those services depending on the plan you chose. So, congratulations, your AWS account has been created. Sometimes it takes a while to activate the account, so wait a bit and then try logging in. On the login page, you will have two options, root user and IAM user. We will discuss the IAM user in the future videos. Since we have created the root user, let's log in with that. Enter your email address and your password. The screen you see now is your AWS console. Don't be overwhelmed. We'll understand each section one by one. You can also go to the settings and enable the dark mode if you prefer. An important step is left. And for that, you need to click on your name and go to security credentials. This is multi-factor authentication. As I mentioned, since you can rent resources in the cloud and pay through your card, there is a risk of having your account hacked, leading to unnecessary charges. So activate MFA to ensure that no one else can log into your account. To do this, click on Assign MFA and enter a device name. There are a lot of options, but for now, we'll use the Authenticator app. To set up MFA, you'll need to scan the QR code with either Google Authenticator, Duo Mobile, or the Authy app on your phone. After scanning, you'll receive a code on your phone. This code changes in some time. So enter two consecutive codes here. Make sure to do this quickly as the codes changes quickly. Click on Add MFA and now log out once from your account and then log in again. So now after entering your email and password, you'll encounter an MFA step. So again, pick the code from your phone and enter it in the box. And now, as you can see, your AWS account is secured. So I hope your AWS account is now ready without any issues. If you encounter any problems, feel free to comment, and also you can join our Discord. Link will be in the description for any communication you want to do with us. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.